Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, today we are going to talk about when should a startup hire an AI engineer. Everyone say a startup needs AI, but when should you actually hire an AI engineer? Let's make it simple. So, first, don't hire too early. Okay, if you don't have real data or users, an AI engineer can't do much. AI needs data to work. Okay, hire an AI engineer when you have a clear problem. For example, you want to automate task, build a chatbot, or improve the recommendations. also try simple tool try simple tool first. Use existing AI APIs or no code tool. If they are not enough, then hire an expert. Okay, and yes, budget should matter here. Budget matters. AI are expensive. I mean, AI engineer are expensive. Make sure your startup can afford it. Okay, so the right time to hire an AI engineer is when you have data and when you have users and a real use case, not just hire. If you are building a startup, follow for more.